Hi guys, if your 8-bit do Ultimate 2C isn't connecting to your Mac, it's usually due to the wrong input mode. So in this guide, you are going to learn the correct way to pair and set it up on Mac operating system. Now on the 8-bit do Ultimate 2C, you need to first of all switch to the D input mode before pairing because Mac does not reliably support the X input over Bluetooth. So this particular step is critical because the wrong mode is equal to no proper detection. After doing so, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply turn off the controller. Then simply hold the pair button or the start plus B button depending on the model until the LED starts blinking, and this makes the controller discoverable. Afterwards, you just have to open your MacBook and you need to come inside its settings. Now inside the settings, look for the option of Bluetooth. When you are inside Bluetooth, you just have to first of all turn on the Bluetooth option. Afterwards, look for the option of the devices available here in this section. So you need to look for 8BitDo Ultimate 2C in the device list. Then simply press the connect button right next to it. Once paired, the LED will stop blinking. Afterwards, you need to simply open the system settings. Then you need to go to the game controllers. You need to check if the button presses are being detected. The Mac operating system may map it as a generic controller. For better compatibility, you can connect controller using the USB cable because macOS detects it more reliably in the wired mode, especially for the certain games. So these steps ensure your controller works smoothly on Mac operating system. So you can try these and let me know if that works. Thank you.